Are you tired of struggling with your old metal strainer? Then I have great news for you. There's a better way. You've got to try this clip-on silicone strainer. It will quickly replace your old strainer and become one of your favorite kitchen tools. The flexible silicone is foldable and it takes up almost no room at all. The design is genius. It fits on almost any pot, pan, or bowl. It is heat resistant and it's BPA free. That means it's food safe. Free up your hands with an easier way to drain pasta, oil from ground beef, and even rinse fruits and vegetables. Your new strainer is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. What are you waiting for? Ditch your old strainer and order one of these today.